Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, igama ngu Asanda Rantini and I do content on all things legal, lifestyle and mostly Christian faith-based content. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Again, this video will be unedited. It's just my thoughts out on the internet during Vlogmas. Wild. Anyways, so I want to speak about few character things I've actually had to develop as being part of the legal profession. By the way, I don't know if I've mentioned this right now. I am an admitted attorney and I'm actually in practice. So I am practicing as an attorney. That sounds like the same thing, but anyways, these thoughts won't be unedited. This is how I usually speak. Anyways, the first thing that you must learn to be patient. You must learn to be patient with your clients. You must learn to be patient with people that you meet in these administrative offices like the master's office, deed's office, wherever that you go. You must be patient. Courts, you must be patient with waiting in line, patient with how people are. People are frustrated in these jobs and they might take it out on you. But if you want your matter to be done and dealt with, you must actually be patient and be like, I'm just getting through this day. I'll be out of here soon. So you have to learn that skill. And patience with clients means walking them through the legal principles and also walking them back from their emotions, because you are meeting a person who's emotionally filled. If you are dealing with a labor matter, you are dealing with a person who's just lost their job after 20 years of being employed. You are dealing with a person who's just has to break the news to their family that their marriage of 35 years is about to end because their partner has found someone new. You are dealing with a person who's just lost their father who was the breadwinner at home, and the deed's office is, the master's office is telling them that they're not going to issue the letters of executorship with their brother without their brother who they have not spoken to in 15 years and who was not even at the funeral. That's what you are going to deal with. So you must be patient with those people. Another thing that you need to be patient with is obviously waiting in court and waiting for a court rule, and sometimes going into court and having your matter postponed because things just don't work in our courts most of the time. So those are things that you must be patient with. The next thing that you learn to be as an attorney, it is to be precise when you are speaking. You are given 15 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm being general. You're given 10 minutes to address on an issue that could make or break your client's case. So you must be precise. You must put in only the important things that make or break your client's case. And if you are not that, you miss a point. You miss "and" in a sentence. You've missed a point. So that's what you need to learn, and you need to learn it very quickly. And then you must learn to also be detailed. Like, you must be very detailed when you are dealing with stuff. If you are explaining, say you are explaining that this table is black, you must explain what you mean by black and what you mean that it's a table. Those things must be very clear so that there is no confusion. That's why you must be precise. Explain to us what is a table. Explain to us with precision what is a table that you want us to refer to and why should we refer to it as a table. You explain those things, guys. It's so hot, so I'm trying to be very fast. And then you must learn how to identify things that are evidence. So you must be a person who knows how to identify things that are relevant and irrelevant. When a person is speaking to you about their day, there might be things that you don't care about, but there might be things that you might care about that might assist you. So you must learn to identify what do people mean when they tell you stuff. People could be telling you things about how much their husband did this and this throughout the year, but all they're trying to tell you is that their husband is cheating. That's all they're trying to tell you. And that's all that matters. But you're not going to be able to do that unless you know how to identify important things. You must know the law at the top of your head. If you are dealing with divorce, what are we looking for? We are looking for whether it's hot. We are looking for whether Was there a marriage contract a valid marriage, and is the marriage still? Did the marriage still is the marriage still valid? Did the marriage actually retrievably break down? Is there any chance for it to actually be restored to a normal marriage? And also, how are the communications? When you are looking at that, you look at, is there communication between the parties? What caused the breakdown? Is there communication? Is there abuse? All of those things. People could say a lot of things and not tell you what you need to put in the summons. You can't tell people, you can't put in your summons, a good team, this person used to wake up at 4, now they wake up at 3 and leave the house. Why? How is that relevant? So those are things that you learn to do when you are an attorney. And you must also learn how to tell a story. You must learn how to tell a story. I always say, I don't do these videos for just the purposes of putting content online. It helps me to know how to speak. It helps me to know how to share thoughts. And it also helps you to know how to speak, obviously, do a monologue, because most of your work as an attorney involves you doing monologues. So it helps in that. So I'd suggest, as my final closing thing, if you are just starting out as an attorney, do a YouTube channel. You can even make those videos private, but listen to yourself speak, and you will learn how to share information. You will learn how to actually convey what your client's instructions are. But if you don't practice this skill, it's a skill that you must practice and actually better every day. If you don't, you are likely going to be an attorney that doesn't even know how to lead a simple unopposed evidence of a simple unopposed divorce. It's simple, but you must know how to lead that in order to prove to the court that these are facts that are showing that a marriage has broken down and it cannot be restored to a normal marriage. You have to know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, you might come out with a client that's still not divorced and angry at you. So with that said, hope you guys, during this holiday, think about your patients. If you're going to be starting in a new firm or starting as a candidate attorney, think about these things, especially the issue of you guys starting YouTube channels, whatever content platform that you prefer. Just start speaking, and you will see how much that helps you improve in your arguments when you are making them in court or at commissions or wherever. Anyways, yeah, love you lots and bye.